Welcome to the heart of Travnik, Bosnia and Herzegovina, home to a unique architectural treasure, the Sarena Camii'ni, or the Ornamented Mosque. The mosque's popular name, Sarena, meaning colored or ornamented, comes from its extraordinary decorations. Both its exterior and interior walls are adorned with intricate, colorful, hand-painted motifs of flowers, trees, grapevines, and geometric patterns, a stunning celebration of color and craft that is rare in mosque architecture. This historic place of worship, also known as the Sulejmanija Mosque, is believed to have been originally built in the 16th century. Its story is one of resilience, having been damaged by fire in 1815 and subsequently rebuilt into its current, vibrant form. It is the only mosque in Bosnia and Herzegovina with its minaret positioned on the left side of the main building, a deviation attributed to the damp and unstable ground on the traditional right side. While the upper floor served as a sacred space for prayer, the ground floor housed a bustling bazaar, or bezistan, with shops built into its stone-arched arcades. Furthermore, a fountain with 4 pipes was constructed next to the mosque, bringing fresh water to the community. Today, having undergone careful restoration, the ornamented mosque remains a vibrant jewel in Travnik, a testament to the city's rich Ottoman heritage and a beautiful fusion of function, art, and faith. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.